Good morning, children. Now we are going to discuss about the imaginary lines, latitudes and longitudes, part 3. See, this is longitudes. Apart from the latitudes, a set of lines run from north to south. These lines are called as meridians of longitudes. Meridians of longitudes run from north to south. 0 degrees longitude is called as prime meridian. 0 degrees longitude also called as prime meridian. Meridian means what? Midday. Meridian means midday. Where midday occurring at the same time, based on that, the lines are drawing, those lines are called as longitude. This is 0 degrees longitude. 0 degrees longitude also called as prime meridian. It passes through London. Okay, na? London, Greenwich. Greenwich Observatory located in London. Through that observatory, these 0 degrees meridian passes. Do you understand? Okay, now 0 degrees to 180 degrees, 0 degrees to 180 degrees west. Okay, now these longitudes, especially prime meridian, halves the earth into two equal parts. One is eastern hemisphere, second one is, this side is called as western hemisphere. You understand? 0 degrees longitude halves the earth into two parts. One is eastern hemisphere, then second one is western hemisphere. Generally, 0 degrees longitude (180 degrees longitude). 0 degrees longitude, 180 degrees longitude halves the earth into two parts. One is, just now I told you, eastern hemisphere. Another one is western hemisphere. Okay. Based on the 0 degrees longitude, remaining longitudes marked with E or W. Do you understand? Okay, based on 0 degrees longitude, remaining longitudes also marking based on the 0 degrees longitude. Do you understand? We should not write 180 degrees east, 180 degrees west longitude. We should not write either 180 degrees east longitude or either 180 degrees west longitude, because 180 degrees east longitude, 180 degrees west longitude is same. Okay, na? Is only one longitude. Only one longitude. That is called as international dateline. International dateline. Here, our point is 180 degrees east, 180 degrees west longitude called as international dateline. That means this side how many longitudes are drawn? 179. Then east side 179. Okay na? Okay. This side 179, this side 179. Total how many longitudes are there? 360. Okay na? 360. Then 179 eastern longitudes. Then western side 179. One is prime meridian. 180 degrees east west is called as international dateline. Total 360 longitudes. Do you understand? Okay na? Like latitudes, longitudes also imaginary lines. So a network of lines drawn from north to south, these called as meridians. Meridian means midday, where the especially how these midday lines are drawing, where midday is occurring at the same time. Based on that, okay na, based on those places they are drawing lines, those are called longitudes. Okay na? So meridian means midday, especially prime meridian means 0 degrees longitude, also called as prime meridian. It passes through astronomical observatory in London. Okay na? So that is called as Greenwich. Greenwich is an area which is located in London. Eastern hemisphere, especially 0 degrees longitude, halves the earth into two parts. One is eastern hemisphere, another one is western hemisphere. This side we have 179 longitudes, then this side we have 179 longitudes. Okay na? So longitudes are semicircles. Longitudes are semicircles. Latitudes are full circles. Okay na? Do you understand? Latitudes are full circles, but the longitudes are semicircles. So longitudes are farthest in the equator region. If you move furtherly, then length of the especially longitudes will decrease. Do you understand? So especially these lines are drawn in the same scale. These lines are drawn. This is all about longitudes. Okay, important properties of longitudes. Important properties of longitudes. See, this is prime meridian. Zero degrees longitude, also called as prime meridian. Okay na? These called as meridians of longitudes. These are semicircles. Longitudes are semicircles. Longitudes meet at poles. Longitudes meet at poles. This is North Pole. This is South Pole. Okay. Especially longitudes farthest apart at equator. See, farthest apart at equator, the gap between them reduces to move towards North Pole or South Pole. See, while moving towards north or while moving towards the south, the gap between them reduces. Here see, observe the gap reduces. Okay na? So at equator, okay na, especially longitudes are farthest, the gap between them at north pole and south pole, if you move towards north pole and south pole, gap is okay na, reducing. Do you understand? But the lines, okay na, the lines drawing from north pole to south pole, those lines are equal lines. Remember that point. Okay na? These lines are equal in length. These lines are equal in length. The gap between longitudes reduces while moving towards poles, north pole and south pole. Here, this is the gap. This is equal length. Equal length is different. The gap between north pole, okay, here and here is different. Do you understand? See, important properties of longitude. These are semicircles. Latitudes are full circles. Longitudes are semicircles. Here poles. Here longitudes are meet. Okay, now where longitudes are meet, in poles area longitudes are meet. This is north pole. This is south pole. Here the gap is reducing. Here this is the farthest apart in at equator. Okay, now if you move towards north pole or south pole, gap between them reduces, but length is same, equal. Okay, now so between the longitudes, the length is same, the lines are same. Do you understand? So variation you should understand. Okay, now then longitudes. So this is all about important properties of longitudes. Okay, now